a short tutorial on how to create recommendations for students in PowerSchool. Before you start this process, it's good to have a list of your class of students and be prepared to know which courses you're recommending students for. Once you log into PowerSchool, you'll click on the recommendations link on the left and then click on the blue Create Recommendations button. Select the class that you would like to make recommendations for first. I'm going to choose Algebra 1 Honors as my fictitious class. And then select the students that you would like to recommend. You can select multiple students at one time and recommend them all to take the same course or courses. I only have one student in here, so I will select that student. After you select them, click Next. Next, make sure you have the correct year that you are recommending for. That should be the future year from the current school year. You will see all the classes that are listed in PowerSchool. You can enter a subject area code, ENMA, SCSS, or PE, or a course name to reduce the number of courses that you see. You can click the plus button of the filter, then select Department. I'm going to choose MA for Math, and then click Apply. This will limit all of my choices to just math courses. Check the box next to the course or courses that you would like to recommend for your selected group of students. You can recommend students to more than one course. If you only recommend one course, that is the only course that the student will be able to select without a waiver form. For my student, I'm going to choose Geometry Honors and Algebra 2 Honors in case they decide to double up. When you're recommending courses, make sure to look at the last number of the course number. This indicates the level of the course. A 1 as the last number indicates an honors or an AP course. A 2 indicates a college prep course. A 3 indicates a career track course. And a 0 indicates an unleveled course. Below, you can enter a comment, but both students and parents will be able to see your comment. Once you're done with the recommendations, you can click Submit. Continue making recommendations until you've made a recommendation for each student in your class. If you need to go back and edit a recommendation or you realize you made an error, you can always click on the Edit button to go back and change your recommendation. Please review your recommendations and make sure there is at least one course recommendation for every student in each of your classes that requires it. Thank you.